Happy Saturday. I'm sorry if my phone is shaking. I did arms today and I am tired. I was going to use my Sony, but it's kind of being a poop head right now. Let's just get straight to the point. I've been told that it is time that I start vlogging. So here we go. My intro video to my vlog. It's Saturday. I got a ton of stuff to do. I actually have a business. I'm an artist, a creative. I would say my title is digital creator, and I've been doing this for 3 years. I'm not saying like social media posts, but like an actual like creative photography, typography, videography, theographies. And yeah, there's just so much fucking going on in my life right now, doing bodybuilding, getting ready for my first show, which won't be until April, but still, I'm pretty much like dialed in. Oh, hello, hi, super short video. Welcome to my vlog. I'm so excited to fucking do this. We'll do makeup, we'll do, what's it called? Makeup hauls, clothing hauls, all of the hauls. Haul. On social media for quite a while. I think it started back in started in 2013 when I first started working out, and then I've just really enjoyed making friends. There's so much fucking fake shit in here. I will tell you flat out who my sponsors are, who I'm working with. I am an influencer, whether I like that title or not. I don't really like the title simply because I don't like the stigma that comes with it. And honestly, I'm gonna fucking change that. Hello, I'm Allie. I guess I'm an influencer, and yeah, I'm rambling. I'm outside Target, getting my groceries for the week. I've been putting this off. Hi guys, let's go.